Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. So, Fiverr recently reported earnings, causing the stock to drop. One of the very popular things within this channel, and that a lot of our viewers ask us to do, is to always be on the hunt for cheap stocks. The reason I find Fiverr to be so attractive is if you actually look into their earnings report, Q2, they ended up beating expectation. The revenue, everything surpassed not just overall expectation, but as well as the revenue as well. It was just due to unfortunate outlook as the world transitions back to normal and leaves pandemic conditions. Fiverr was a company that thrived during pandemic conditions, which again, the idea of continuous growth to this degree is something that a lot of investors left asking themselves about. As you guys can see, Fiverr recently pulled on back and is currently trading at $170 when it comes down to the support level. If we use this little trendline tool on the Webull platform from where we're at as of right now to previous all-time highs, again, that being the goal, you can see that this offers a little bit over 54% potential for an overall recovery, which is exactly why I'm making this video. I view it to be a dip buy opportunity. One of the things that you should be asking yourself is right away, is it time to buy right now or should I wait? And at the end of the day, Fiverr, even after reporting earnings on Thursday, has still been dropping a little bit, consolidating around 170 to around 180, and it has not indicated signs of a reversal just yet. As you guys can see, I have an alert set here, but also Fiverr can easily continue to sell off. So make sure you take that into consideration before aggressively buying the dip. I normally like to invest or take a position with a 10% position size before an overall confirmation if I see there to be that much potential or opportunity. Fiverr meets that criteria, so within this video, which is why I wanted to take my 60 share position on Fiverr, which is a little bit over $10,000, which is equivalent to a 10% position with the set dollar amount that I intend to invest in. Now, a question you might have is, well, when will I decide to buy more? Once this thing actually begins to indicate signs of an uptrend and it breaks above 180, it breaks back above $200, which is where it used to trade at, I would love to be able to add more to my position size if and only if it begins to indicate signs of reversal. Until then, I have some skin in the game, but the idea behind that skin in the game is that if Fiverr continues to sell off, I have a light enough position that I can tolerate that pullback. So if you're going to be asking the question, should I buy all in right now? If you decide to do so, the risk that you are taking on is hoping that it reverses right away when it can still continue to drop. So yes, there is greater opportunity if you buy in aggressively, just as there is greater risk involved as we have no confirmation of a support and no confirmation of a reversal. Let me know what you guys think about this. But altogether on the day, I was able to make a little bit over $27,000 profit so far. A lot of this coming from Robinhood and how it's been trading today. So if you guys look at Robinhood stock alone today, I believe it's up a little bit over 8% as of now. At one point today, it was up a little bit over 13%. I have a light position on my Webull platform. I have a much heavier position on my Fidelity platform, as you guys can tell. And the AMC position is something that's dragging me down just a little bit as of right now. But if we look at this on the 1 day, 1 minute chart, a question you guys might have is, well, Ricky, where do you plan to sell? Well, I plan to lock in profits on Robinhood stock. I don't plan to hold this overnight. This is simply a trade, so make sure that you understand that. So as Robinhood sold off, I viewed this to be a dip buy opportunity. We began to trade above the EMA line, and this is where I began to aggressively add more to my position. Now Robinhood is consolidating right around $56, $57. If we break above 58, all of this is an area where I would be happy to lock in profits on Robinhood stock. I'll be sure to follow up with my overall position. If you guys are part of Learn Plan Profit, I'll post it there. And if you're not, then I'll be posting on my Instagram as well, which is linked down below. Friendly reminder, if you guys want to join our Learn Plan Profit group, they're the only group that get to watch me trade live every single day. A question you might ask is, do you need a course to learn how to trade? Of course not, right? There are so many different ways on how you can learn by yourself through trial and error. At the end of the day, if you are someone that learns better with structure and with assistance, I would encourage you to click the second link down below, learn a little bit more about our group. Not only is this a course, but I trade live every single day. So if you want to get a taste of what the Learn Plan Profit course includes, as well as what it's like to watch me trade live, make sure you scroll all the way down to here to get a breakdown and a taste of what it's like for one of our live trading sessions. So if you would like to work with me on a closer basis, then again, that is the best way in doing so. So I appreciate you guys' time. Continue working hard, continue following dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. I hope and wish you guys an amazing weekend. And if you guys like when I make videos about stocks that have recently sold off, make sure to drop a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.